Hello guys, welcome to my channel Spoken English and GK. Friends, in this video we will discuss important questions and answer about Lok Sabha election. Let's start the video. In which year were the Lok Sabha election held for the first time in India? Answer: 1951 to 1952. When was Lok Sabha first formed? Answer: 1952. Who was the President of India when the first general election were held in 1951 to 52? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the Prime Minister elected through a general elections in India? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. After how many years are Lok Sabha election held in India? Answer: 5 years. What is the minimum age requirement to vote in India's general elections? Answer: 18 years. Who decides the election date? Answer: Election Commission of India. What is the minimum age requirement to contest Lok Sabha elections? Answer: 25 years. How many national parties participates in India's first Lok Sabha election in 1952? Answer: 14 parties. Who is known as the father of Lok Sabha? Answer: G.V. Mavalankar. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer: Sukumar Sen. Who is the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer: Rajiv Kumar. Who is the current Election Commissioner of India? Answer: Ganesh Kumar and Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. Who was the first Deputy Speaker of the first Lok Sabha of Independent India? Answer: Ananthasayanam Iyengar. Who was the first woman Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer: Meera Kumar. In which article of the Indian Constitution provision has been made for the formation of Lok Sabha? Answer: Article 81. How many Lok Sabha seats are there in India? Answer: 543 seats. What is the maximum number of seats that Union Territories can have in the Lok Sabha? Answer: 20 seats. Which state of India has the highest number of Lok Sabha seats? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Name the smallest Lok Sabha constituency of India in terms of area. Answer: Chandni Chowk. What is the number of members of Lok Sabha fixed in the original constitution? Answer: 500. At present, what is the number of seats reserved for scheduled caste in the Lok Sabha? Answer: 84 seats. By whom is the Speaker of Lok Sabha chosen? Answer: Member of Lok Sabha. To whom is the Speaker of Lok Sabha submit his resignation? Answer: Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. To whom is the Prime Minister submit his resignation? Answer: President of India. To whom is the Lok Sabha member submits their resignation letter? Answer: Speaker of Lok Sabha. Who appoints the pro tem Speaker? Answer: President. Member of Election Commissioner are appointed by? Answer: President of India. Who present the general budget in the Lok Sabha? Answer: Minister of Finance. Who decide whether a bill is an ordinary bill or money bill? Answer: Speaker of Lok Sabha. Who presides over the joint meeting of both the House of Parliament? Answer: Speaker. What is the maximum number of Lok Sabha? Answer: 550. Who has the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha? Answer: President. When was the first session of Lok Sabha of Independent India held? Answer: 13 May of 1952. The Constitution Parliament of India. Answer: President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha.